This is how a TPO roof is put together at Five Guys Roofing. We want to make sure that the substrate is accurate and correct, whether that's metal decking or plywood. Once we have that, we're going to take and fasten in an ISO board. This ISO board is to make sure that the home or building has proper insulation. Once we have that down, we're going to take and roll out the membrane of the TPO. TPO comes in different sizes and lengths, depending on the size of the building or home. We're going to lay that out and fasten each one of the seams using the correct fasteners to sink down into the decking. Once that's complete, we're taking a heat welder and welding each one of the seams to make sure that the seams are completely watertight. We're then going to go around all of the detail work and penetrations to make sure that everything is sealed off and watertight. And then we're going to go through and probe each one of the seams to make sure that everything is ready for the next rain.